Alright, it's the weekend. But it's not just any weekend. As you know, we are selling a house, and when you do that, open houses are a thing.
And it's officially live.
Which basically means strangers walk through your home, silently judge your choices, and decide if they want to buy it. But before they do that, we have to make it look like no one has ever lived here. So yeah, that's fun. And since we're not allowed to be home during all of this, we made some solid weekend plans, and here's how it all went. So yeah, we kicked off the weekend at St. Jacob's Market, which, if you've never been, is where you go when you want to romanticize your life and pretend you live on a cute little farm. And tell me why every time I come here, I suddenly feel I need some fresh honey, homemade jam, and organic everything, and a lot of maple syrup too. It's just 1.5 hours drive from Toronto, and honestly, it's always so fun.
I was waiting for one weekend to be completely free so that I could come to St. Jacob's Market right here to pick something that we don't get anywhere else.
We badly wanted this thing. Let's go.
It's so busy today, right?
As always.
By the way, this market is open all year round. And in winter, it's only open on, I think, Thursdays and Saturdays. That's why it's crazy busy today. It's Saturday, by the way. I think ghost style or scorpion.
Yeah. So this one will have that in it too.
You want to try this? This is the Greek dressing. You know why I love their sauces? Because it does not have any preservatives. They are on the expensive side for sure, but again, it's the ingredients and that's what makes it worth it. Definitely try the sauces from here. I got 5 of them. A lot of new flavors, but I really love their habanero. But this time I got their hot honey garlic, peri peri, shawarma, which is really nice, and spicy garlic, I don't know.
That's like two breasts or one breast? Yep, that's fine. We got some chicken schnitzel as well.
But come with empty stomach again. Today we are not eating anything. It was just a quick stop.
But we got what we wanted, right?
Yeah.
We're good.
Got it. Yeah. Look at the parking lot. It's all full.
So we didn't just come here all the way to pick one thing. We also had to go to our second house in Kitchener to see everything, how the house is, as our tenants are about to leave, and we are looking for new ones starting May, which we did not expect but is happening. All of the things are just coming on us at one go, but it's okay. We gotta do what we gotta do. And then we stopped for a quick bite at this sandwich shop in Waterloo. I think it was called Quick Sandwiches. It was a little pricey for a sandwich, I'm not gonna lie, but it was really simple, good, tasty, healthy, and most importantly, fresh, and I would definitely go back again.
Thank you, Shan.
Thank you so much.
So Sunday was a Toronto kind of day, starting with something a little different.
We have reached Exhibition Go and heading it out. That's Wellington Tonic. Thanks. I'll make him do.
It's gonna be fun.
So for me, it was not my first time. I have tried their beatboxing class on my birthday last year. And honestly, after the class, I low-key felt like I could take on anyone. So naturally, I had to drag Saranch into the scene this time. And safe to say, it was a time. We survived, we sweated, it was intense, but it was so much fun. Couple goals right there, you can see we are working out together, hyping each other up. It was 10 on 10.
I know, you know, I'm so fun. Yeah, I just wanna cry a river.
Look who did the workout today.
It was so much fun. It was a very different experience. Time for some post-workout smoothie. Get ready. This is so good. You should try it.
Which one did you order?
S&T recovery.
S&T recovery. Did you add anything?
No.
It was so good.
It was very addictive.
I'm so hungry now.
Literally starving.
It's raining, but it's not that cold. And with that, our workout is done. How did you feel?
It was one of a kind workout. I mean, it was so much fun working in a different environment.
That's what. I mean, we were doing the same things.
Yeah.
It was HIIT class, what we do at Orange Theory, but just doing it in a new environment.
I love the vibe.
Exciting. Yeah.
It was kind of like I'm working in a nightclub.
Yeah, and a lot
With
of
so
young
many
people.
DJ lights and everything.
Yeah, and a
So
lot of
cool.
young people too, as compared to the burbs.
Obviously, you're in Toronto,
Yeah.
downtown.
Yeah, I love the energy here. Now we are just looking for a brunch spot that's actually Montreal based and a very popular one. It looked very eclectic and nice. And I saw the reviews. Somebody said there are always lineups here and it's a Sunday, so I'm assuming it's gonna be busy. Hope not, because I'm super hungry. Since we have an open house today, I'm just looking at the first person who just entered the house. We have a camera installed outside our house, so yeah, we can get a glimpse of who's coming. Obviously, we can't hear and we don't know what's going on, but at least we know there's someone new that entered.
And obviously, no weekend is complete without an overpriced coffee and some aesthetic eggs. So we had to go for brunch at this new spot that just opened recently.
We just came to this place. There's a DJ playing, and that happens only on Sundays, I just got to know. But such a quirky, eclectic vibe here. It's definitely bringing some Montreal energy in Toronto. Can't wait to eat the breakfast here. Whatever everybody's ordering around looks so good, especially the French toast. But I want to keep it healthy, maybe for a cheat meal sometimes. But the coffee is good. For this, like, look at the quantity. This is my 2 days of breakfast. So I'm definitely going to take out. When I looked at the prices, I was like, okay, this looks like an expensive place, but they give you huge amounts.
I ordered a red shakshuka and it's damn good.
Ooh, how will I finish this? I've just had 1/4 and I'm already so full. This is a good spot to come with friends on the weekend, have some drinks, have a boozy brunch.
I'm so glad we came to downtown Toronto. We badly needed a change. We're so bored of that monotonous routine of, staying at home, but it's a nice change.
Then we made a little stop at the Well to this little skincare fragrance spot. It was time for a sunscreen restock. And I've been wanting to try Ulta MD sunscreen.
Because it's still a lot of protection, but it really is going to help hydrate.
Apparently it's really good and that my dermatologist recommended. And I finally got my hands on it.
I was looking for this sunscreen for so long. It was not readily available earlier, but I just got it. This is Ulta MD. I've never tried this. This will be my first time. I really love the fragrances here at this store. Etiquette at the Well. This smells so nice. Mandatory picture of theatre. Never gets old. It's raining, but I don't mind that. I'm just enjoying the downtown vibe. Every time I come here, I just get so happy. In every vlog, whenever I come here, I mention that I miss this place. And I'm gonna say it again. I miss downtown. I love the energy here. I really wish we could just move back here, honestly. Oakville is a nice city, but downtown, it's just so much fun. I underestimated the weather. It's so windy and cold now. I think we'll come back again. It's time to go back home. Just came to Mississauga to catch up with a friend. So I'll see you tomorrow. Going in a condo after ages.
So yeah, that was it. Was this weekend productive? Yes. Was it chaotic? Also yes. Would I do it all over again? Absolutely. And until then,
Swear I'm happy on my own.